Hi everyone, and welcome to our AdWords online classroom. This on-demand course is called Track Your AdWords Return on Investment Using Conversion Tracking. My name is James, and I'm an AdWords education specialist based in Google's European headquarters here in Dublin. Please note that we will be expecting you to complete a quiz at the end, so do make sure that you give the material your undivided attention, and rest assured you will be able to pause the course at your convenience, so if you miss something, you can go back and listen to it again. Thanks, and we hope you find this useful. Firstly, we'll look at understanding and starting to track your AdWords return on investment. We'll then look at setting up conversion tracking. We'll then look at conversion tracking reports and how to read them. And finally, we'll go through some key takeaways. So now we'll look at understanding conversions and return on investment, and what are conversions and why are they important. How do you currently track sales and leads from your AdWords advertising now? When you log into your account, you can see your lists of keywords. You can also see how many clicks you've had on these keywords and what the click-through rate for these keywords is. However, knowing how many clicks and impressions you've received from your AdWords advertising does not tell you how many sales and/or leads and hence return on investment you've received from it. What are conversions and goals? A conversion can be making a purchase, downloading a file, or requesting additional information. Each website should have one or more goals. In this presentation, we will use the term goal and conversion interchangeably. Conversions will be different depending on your business model. You may wish to track leads, in which case you will want users to fill in a form on your site. Or you may want users to complete a purchase on your site and track sales through your shopping cart. This webinar looks at both conversion tracking and Google Analytics, which allow you to track and measure different types of goals. The simple calculation for return on investment is your profit before advertising costs divided by the amount you spent on AdWords. When you track and monitor your return on investment, you can make smarter decisions about your online ads and ultimately make your business more profitable. Conversion tracking contains reports you can look at to examine return on investment and make informed business decisions. This course will cover useful reports to analyse and also practical statistics to consider within your campaign view. Conversion tracking measures conversions from your AdWords advertising so you can see exactly how effective your ads and keywords are. This helps you make better business decisions to improve your AdWords performance further. Conversion tracking shows you the return on investment from your AdWords advertising. Another advantage is that only the conversion pages on your website are tagged. It is easy to set up and can provide you with useful return on investment reporting. So how does conversion tracking work? Well, to begin using the tool, you must first put the AdWords conversion tracking code in your site. Once the code is correctly applied, AdWords conversion tracking will place a cookie on a user's computer or mobile phone when he or she clicks on one of your AdWords ads. If the user reaches one of your conversion pages, the cookie is connected to your web page. When a match is made, Google records a successful conversion for you. Please note that the cookie that Google adds to a user's computer or mobile device when the user clicks on an ad expires in approximately 30 days. This measure and the fact that Google uses separate servers for conversion tracking and search results protects the user's privacy. We'll now look at setting up conversion tracking. You'll see the option to set up conversion tracking from within the Opportunities tab of your account. When you click Create an Action, you'll be shown to a page to fill in some details such as the name you want to give this action and the value of the action to you. In the This action is used for tracking section, you'll be shown a drop-down menu where you have the option to categorize the action as tracking signups, leads, views of a key page, purchases, or sales or other. In this case, we've used the example of a chocolate hamper sale and put the value of this at $25. An action is a named goal which can be tracked using conversion tracking that you hope users will complete on your website. For example, an action might be a user signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or downloading a file. Each action can be used to generate a conversion tracking code snippet, which you can place on your website. By using different actions for the events that you're interested in, you can keep track of how many users complete each of these separate actions. Once you've defined what your action is, you can click Save Action and Get Code. You will then be provided with the tracking code, which you can copy into the source code of the action page of your website. For example, you can add the code to what we refer to as the thank you page, which is essentially the page a user sees after they have completed the desired action. This means that anyone that reaches that page has definitely completed an action. Please note that you can also now find your new action in the conversion tracking section of your account. Now that you have conversion tracking set up, you will be able to see new conversion tracking statistics within your account. We'll now take a look at conversion tracking reports and how to read conversion tracking statistics within your AdWords account. Now that you've enabled conversion tracking, you can see your basic account statistics, alongside your conversion tracking statistics, and your return on investment statistics in the form of conversion value over cost. If you've entered in your revenue or profit value, this statistic will be equal to your return on investment. For example, value over cost is equal to the total conversion value over the total cost of all ad clicks. The value per cost is adjusted to reflect only the cost of ad clicks leading to conversions. It's advisable to look at statistics over time and only make decisions when significant data is built up to ascertain trends. It's not advisable to make decisions based on a small quantity of data. Looking at click data shows chocolates and bouquet of red roses to be the keywords with the highest traffic. They also both have a very good click-through rate and low cost per click. Looking at the number of conversions or sales that these keywords have generated, it's clear that chocolates did not result in any sales. Instead, you can clearly see that bouquet of red roses has the most conversions or sales, followed by the keywords bouquet of garden lilies and chocolate hampers. However, when you set up conversion tracking, you specify what each sale on your website is worth to you by placing values on each of your keywords. Taking this into account, you can see that clicks on the keyword chocolate hampers have driven the most profit from sales. In this case, the keyword chocolate hampers gives the best return on investment, while bouquet of red roses drives the highest sales volume. You can use such conversion tracking data to increase your maximum cost per click bids on your most valuable and profitable keywords to get more clicks and conversions on them. This will improve your return on investment further. If you use conversion tracking, you may become eligible to use Conversion Optimizer. This is a free AdWords feature which uses conversion tracking data to get you more conversions at a lower cost. On average, campaigns adopting Conversion Optimizer achieve a 21% increase in conversions, while at the same time decreasing their cost per acquisition by 14%. It can help you both increase profitability and return on investment and help save you time. So what are you waiting for? As you've seen from this presentation, tracking conversions using conversion tracking allows you to measure your return on investment from AdWords. Knowing your advertising return on investment allows you to ensure you are making a profit. And knowing your AdWords return on investment provides you with the information to optimize your AdWords ads, keywords, location targeting, and other factors to improve your marketing effectiveness. This free tool is available within the Opportunities tab of your AdWords account.